It's probably nothing. Google always exaggerates. If I can't see it, it's not a problem. That's normal. That's just the engine adjusting. Adjusting aggressively. I fixed you.
Stay together, stay together, stay together.
It's a performance feature.
Yeah, back here.
We talked about this. How long has that light been on? Define on. Sir. Sir, could have been about $120 if it was handled early. Is that with tax? It was probably nothing. So, Kappa.
It was probably nothing. 2,800 for a light.
I hate that car. No. That's just a suggestion. It's just settling. I don't hear anything. See? Overreacting. We're trading you.